Where to smash and where to return smash. First, let me tell you about the different positions of smashes, and then I'll tell you when to execute these smashes and how to execute these smashes. Our first smash is going to be the slice smash. Now, where the slice smash usually ends up is going to be around this first line. How do you execute the slice smash? Well, when you're hitting a slice smash, you want to be going into our smash position of 1, 2, but on contact point, you're not going to be hitting the shot directly because that's going to add too much power and distance on the smash. But instead, you're going to come swinging fast while wrapping around the shuttle so that you get both a slice and a smash, which will reduce the speed of the shuttlecock while still having deception. When do you want to use this smash? This is a smash that you want to execute when your opponent is serving a high shot to you and you have all the time to prepare, set up, get a high contact point, and hit that slice smash so that you can move your opponent quickly around the court for the next shot. Our next smash is going to be the tap smash position. Now this is a smash executed at around 70 to 80% power and generally lands just a little bit closer from the standard smash position. How you execute a tap smash is, again, you go to our standard form, but on 2 and contact, what we want to do is come up and just accelerate, focusing more on our forearm, our wrist, and our fingers, and pop, hitting it quickly and not doing a full follow through because you're only generating 70 to 80% power. When should you hit the tap smash? The tap smash is generally better for during gameplay when you're both moving and slightly out of position. When you're hitting the tap smash, you are not generating as much power, therefore you have a less chance to be losing your momentum on the swing. You want to make sure you're hitting it with angle and slightly more forward so your opponent has to bend down and reach for the shot. Our next smash is a smash that most of you know the best, and that's the standard smash. Where the standard smash is going to land is just slightly further from the center of the court. For a standard smash, we want to be making sure that we are hitting with both power and angle. Of course, coming up on contact, you're going to be really accelerating with your torso, your core, coming around, and after contact, you're also going to be using your chest to bring down this whole smash, and what that's going to do is allow more momentum to go into the smash. Now this smash is probably going to be around 90% power, and you want to use the standard smash when you're confident that you have a very good chance to either win the point or set up the point for a net kill. Our fourth smash position is going to be the long smash, and this is going to land at the rear of the court, aiming around this rear line. So when you hit a long smash, generally it's going to be around their head or shoulder height, going all the way to the back. So when they're coming down, they have to raise up their racket again, blocking the smash. Most of the times, their shot will be quite high and floppy, giving you a chance to follow up with a push or a net kill. How do you hit the long smash? It's pretty similar to the standard smash. The only difference is that instead of trying to go for pure angle, you are intentionally hitting the shot much higher, kind of like in between a smash and a punch clear. Our last smash position is going to be the body smash. Now the body smash is not just anywhere in the body. It's going to focus on one point of the body, and that point is going to be the dominant hand's armpit point. When you hit over here, one, you cannot use your forehand. It's awkward to use overhand forehand. Backhand overhand is too high, and underhand you have to lift. So this is a weak point in smash position for all forehand and backhand. When do you want to smash here? You want to smash here if you think your opponent is covering the court very well, or they're often overextending and predicting your shots with their racket first. That way you remind them that, boom, they still have to come back to center and get ready for body shots so they're not as agile moving outwards. Now let's talk about our return of smash positions. First position is going to be our standard position, and that's going to be our straight block. When do you want to block straight? Number one, when you don't have enough time. Second, if you don't have enough security hitting to other places. And third, if you just want to play it safe and hit it forward, because when you block straight, you also are able to cover more position because the bird has to come out from the direction you're already on. Our second return to snap position is going to be in the center of the court. When professionals are blocking straight or blocking cross, only way to win a point at a professional level is hit a winner attacking shot. So hitting center return of smash is very crucial because once you block to the center, every shot is going to be coming from the center, meaning you're able to intercept a lot of shots, which gives you the better opportunity to set up for a smash, or second, if the net come up for a counter net or a push. Our third defense shot, you guessed it, is going to be the cross-court smash block. When we want to hit this, I would say at a beginner or intermediate level, as much as possible. It's not about whether you want to hit it or not. It's you don't have the ability to hit it. And because you don't have the ability to hit it, your opponent doesn't expect you to ever hit that cross-court shot. So most of the times when your opponent smashes, they're going to be running straight and following that straight shot or that center shot at most. So if you're able to hit a cross-court block defense, then they're going to be scrambling. One, maybe they can't even get the bird. Or second, they'll be lifting it so out of position, you can come up and smash. If you enjoyed this video, you'll like this one even more.